Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share internet from PC to your mobile phone in Windows 11. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know how to do that. So Windows 11 and all the, its predecessor Windows 10 are pretty much the same. So what you can do is just simply head over to your settings like this. And once you're inside settings, just keep in mind you need to have a Wi-Fi adapter or a Bluetooth adapter for your PC to share hotspot internet. So how you can do that, you'll see the option of network and internet. If you can't find it, just simply type it in on the search bar, type in network and internet. It will bring it up. You just gotta go ahead and press on network and internet. But a easier way is when you're in Windows 11 and you got your adapter, Wi-Fi adapter. What you can do is just simply type in mobile hotspot like this, and it will bring it up. Obviously, I don't have the Wi-Fi adapter, but when you have it, you can just simply find it like this, and once you find it in, you just need to turn on your mobile hotspot. And once you turn it on, you obviously need to go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings, and then after that you can just connect it to your phone. All the details will be given on the Wi-Fi hotspot on your PC. So yeah, this is it on how you can share mobile hotspot from your PC to your phone. So I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.